my hair. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for coming to our kitchen in Japan. Today we are going to make. Oh, before that, I'm Joe and Macchou. Macchou is there. He'll come later. And anyway, we are going to make Swiss steak from America, and that is from Cat-san's recipe. Okay. So I need to prepare the ingredients. So I've got few things. Oh, Macho, you got my plastic bag again. And you will be so angry, right? Ooh. Okay, Macho, today you are so close. And the light is there. Macho. Okay, so done. So thank you everybody. I would love to let you see the result. Swiss steak. Wow, looks massive, huge stone. Ouch! Let's make my version of a Swiss steak with mashed potatoes. World food tour day 72. Kat-san, thank you for sharing the recipe. Today I used the meat tenderizer. It's so easy to use. When I first heard about this recipe, I thought it was a Swiss dish, but it's actually an American dish. Let's keep cooking. The potato exploded. I guess I have to cover it loosely with plastic wrap. Done! I forgot the green beans, so I used the bell peppers instead. Is that a little weird? Kat-san said it looks just like the one she makes. I'm so happy. Delicious, so tender. Such an amazing combo with the mashed potatoes. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody. This is, oh, really, Kat-san, it is similar. Great. I'm very happy. So Kat-san's menu, great. Everybody, always thank you very much.